introduce you to ACR Design and Build. My name is Anthony Gashard. I'm the founder of ACR. In addition to that, the president. What we do is very unique with regards to ADA compliance. We've been specializing in this for over 35 years. What we provide here, again, that is unique, is we've put together a hand-picked group of individuals that we call ACR team. Consists of our CASp inspector, consists of our ADA designer, contractor, and we also have legal counsel that you can reach out to independently in the event that you're caught up in one of these ADA lawsuits. So what we perform here is the construction and design of both the exterior of buildings and the interior. Now these buildings are referred to as Title III, public accommodations, anything that's open to the public. Examples, gas stations, liquor stores, coin-operated dry cleaners, things of that nature. So these businesses are being targeted in the sum of 20,000 lawsuits per year in California. So what we do is we take our clients down a path by providing the CASp report that truly identifies what the corrections are. In addition to that, we put the design together. We actually perform the corrections. We can provide formal plans, drawings, and the submittal process to the city for permits. So again, what we do is we provide multiple layers to protect you through these lawsuits. And stay tuned here for a series of our educational short videos that are going to debunk all of the myths that are out there. Example, grandfathering, how the code changes continuously, all of these things that relate to how do we define readily achievable and technically infeasible, some of the most common and critical myths that are being thrown out there by a lot of principals. So please stay tuned for multiple short videos. Thank you.